I'm doing a thrift haul, and I got a few things from Rue 21, and I got like 2 scarves from Factory Connection. So the first thing I found were these boots, and they were $7 from the Goodwill. I have a pair of black ones, a pair of brown ones, and now I have these burgundy color ones. The next thing I got was this jean jacket. This is from Old Navy, and this was $4. I picked up this plaid and black shirt. Plaid and black. This red and black plaid shirt, and I saw one at Rue 21, but I got this one for $4 at another thrift store. I got this tie-up plaid shirt, and this was, I think this was $2. Picked up this sweater. This was from another thrift store. This was $4. I got this from the Goodwill, and this was $4. I picked up this shirt right here. This was from Maurice's, but I got it from the thrift store. I think this was, trying to think. I think this was $4. And then this sweater right here from the Goodwill, it was $4. Okay, then from the other thrift store, I picked up this infinity scarf, $2. I picked up this long sleeve t-shirt. It says Oklahoma State Cowboys, and this was $5. I got this from Rue 21 the other day. These jeans were $25. I got them for $2. And this shirt, I can't remember the regular price on this shirt, but this shirt was $3 marked down, and I got it for $2. I got another infinity scarf. That's just a black one. Got this for $2. I got this pullover shirt with a button. It's some kind of pullover type shirt. I got that for $4. I got this pink Nike jacket, and this was $8 from the Goodwill. It has gray on it. Just a second. This was from originally JCPenney's. It was $60. It's like a sweater. I'm gonna show you. It's like a sweater shirt, and it was $60. I thought the price was on here, but I'm gonna show you. It was $60, and I got it for $4, and it's brand new. Tags on it and everything. So that was a great find. And then I got this hoodie for working out and for just lounging around the house. I think this was $2 because it was green tag. Yep, $2. And then I got 2 new scarves from Factory Connection. I got this one. This one was $9. And then I got this one. I think these were $9. These were either $7 or $9. I can't remember, but I got these scarves. And I got this last hoodie. It says Missouri Tigers on it. That's for lounging around the house. So, thanks for watching. I will be back with more thrifting hauls, more cooking, cleaning, a variety of things. If you follow me on Instagram, I already told you that I'm going to be bringing back my stuff from my closet. And so, subscribe if you have not. Hit that bell so you don't miss another video. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye!